Hello friends, Erica Ruck from ericaruck.com, and today I wanted to offer an energy transmission as we get closer to the eclipse. This transmission is specific for inner unity. As we align and unify within us, that begins to reflect in our life and throughout the collective consciousness and all of humanity. So I invite you now to get still. Come sit with me, come be with me. I ask, pray, and intend to open a portal of divine grace in our space, calling on our God teams, higher selves, spirit guides, animal totems, crystal and mineral allies, calling forth that higher power of our heart's understanding in whatever form or name that is for you. And we ask this higher power to fill us, to merge with us, to dance with us, to brighten the unity that resides within us, helping us to be in complete coherence, balance, and harmony with our inner unity. So now that we have set our sacred container, our sacred space, let's gently close the eyes, begin to breathe in. Breathing in inner unity and breathing out inner unity. Breathing in inner unity and breathing out inner unity. And now we surrender to this higher power of our heart's understanding, and allowing this higher power to fill us with unity and to assist us in becoming aware of the inner unity that resides within, that we are created from, and that we are now in this perfect now moment, radiating into the cosmos. So dropping into the stillness and silence as we receive this inner unity transmission. as we breathe in this inner unity and breathe out this inner unity. The breath of life is bringing us into deeper harmony, coherence with our own inner unity, connecting with the inner unity more deeply and allowing ourselves to radiate, embody this unity. And now let us gently but firmly come back into our body, opening our eyes and seeing the world anew from this place of unification, connection to the divine spark within us, connection to our hearts and our own unique ways of knowing. So thank you for connecting, receiving this. And until next time, all my love, take care.